my friend, 4-chord finger fun for the key of E flat. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna explain E flat for you so you know how to play all the chords in the different key signature, and then we're gonna take it all to the bridge. Go ahead and take it to the bridge. We're gonna be playing a 2-chord movement here in E flat. E flat is then gonna go to a C minor. Now this is the 1 chord to the 6 chord. The fun part about this is it's gonna help you with your partial bars. Take this partial bar on the C string, E string, and A string at the 3rd fret, that's your C minor, and then move that over a grouping, but do not cover the high A string. Leave a little space. Now, we've covered this before, but the reason why that's having a hard time barring that and then leaving that open is because your hand isn't going further enough to leave the gap there. If you put your thumb in the middle, get your elbow out of your belly button or your crotch or your stomach area just by shaking it out. I call it the funky chicken. Just shake that on out when you're moving around. You will notice that your hand will become a little bit more mobile and versatile. So if you try that, we can do our E. I'm doing a down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. Notice how there's like a... I am taking all of my finger weight off of pressing down and lightly just touching the string. That allows me to get a percussion aspect and then push down on it so we could actually hear those audible notes. Here's what it looks like going slow. And here's what a little accelerando looks like, getting a little bit faster. So these are 2 chords, right? The 1 and the 6. Now I want to go to the 5 chord, the B flat. And then we're going to be playing a quick C minor, B flat, A flat, and then we're going to be hitting our B flat, but we're going to be playing it as a dominant this time. When we do our B flat dominant, it feels like the leading tone or a D diminished and goes right back to our 1. Here's what the whole thing looks like. Slow. Notice I'm using all my fingers. 1, doesn't really matter what chords you do this with, but it makes your fingers strong learning how to play these bar chords. After you get this repetition a couple 100 trillion times to set the pace, or to have somebody solo over the top of it while having fun, try to do your quick movement of your C minor. Hear how that little turnaround puts you right back to do the 1 chord. So